practical problem based on preparation of receipt and payment account. So example number 1a, a Rotary Club has kept its account on cash basis and figures for the last year are given below. Prepare receipt and payment account for the year. So here given total 10 points. Already I have written sequence wise 1 to 10. So number 1, entrance fee received. Entrance fee received, you are prepare receipt and payment account like this way, receipt and payment account. So what will be receipt and what will be payment side will be recorded. So here written, you can see here entrance fee received, received it is, so you can write receipt side, you can write receipt side. Subscription received during the year, subscription received also, so also it will recorded in the receipt side. Number 3, Mr. X fee received, again received, so also it will receive receipt side. Number 4, expense paid during the year, expense paid for payment. So number 4 point, it will be recorded on the payment side, what amount has given, so you will be recorded in the, this will be recorded in the payment side. Expense unpaid this year, unpaid amount will not be recorded because it is unpaid, so unpaid will be left, unpaid will be left. So I have dark with the red pen, it will be not recorded, it will be not recorded. Surplus on bar account, surplus on bar account, surplus means profit, so surplus on bar account will also recorded in the receipt side because it is profit, it is receipt, surplus. Secretary's honorarium, secretary honorarium, this also recorded in the payment side because we are giving payment, we are paying the payment, so it will be recorded in the receipt payment side, payment side. Cash in hand in the beginning of the year, it is to balance BD, beginning of the year, like see here, to balance BD, cash in hand, cash in hand beginning of the year. Locker's rent received, locker's rent received, received it is, so it is also recorded in the receipt side. An investment made during the year, investment made, that means we have invested some money on the investment in business, in company, in organization, so it will be recorded in the, it will be recorded in the payment side because our cash is decreasing, our cash is decreasing. So receipt and payment account we have seen here, generally receipt side has maximum items will be recorded and payment side here given very few. Payment side only come investment, secretary honorarium and expense, three things will be recorded in the payment side and rest all are recorded in the receipt side except expense unpaid this year, this will be not recorded, this will be not recorded, it will be not recorded because it is a unpaid, we have not received the amount, we have not received the amount, so this expense will be not recorded in the receipt and payment account, receipt and payment account. Rest all are recorded but only one items will be not recorded, like entrance fee received, receipt side, receipt side, receipt side, payment side, this will be not recorded, receipt side, payment side, to balance BD, receipt side, local rent received also receipt side and investment made payment side. So here three things, first is investment, honorarium, secretary's honorarium and expense paid, three things will be recorded payment side, rest all are recorded in the receipt side except leave one, why, because it is unpaid, unpaid means not paid, we have not paid this expense, so it will be not recorded in the receipt and payment account. One time see here how will be prepare receipt payment account. First is write debit, here credit, two columns you will entry receipt payment. First of all to balance BD, cash in hand, opening has given in the question, see here cash in hand 4700 given, to entrance fee given, so entrance fee it is received, see here first point entrance fee received, So 5,000 here given in the question, so here also recorded, and payment side by expense and by secretary honorarium. More items will be more recorded. See here for subscription received, Mr. X fee received, local rent received, and surplus on bar account. So these are all received. And payment side, investment 2200, and here you will balance by balance CD. This is your answer. This is your answer come when you tally it is both side debit and credit, then you will get by balance CD. It is your balancing figure. Cash in hand closing, it is a balance figure. So this type we will prepare this account. One thing here more written, just I have told to you, unpaid expenditure is not shown in the receipt payment account, but it is shown in the income and expenditure account. We will further study income and expenditure account, then I will explain to you how will be it recorded. Now we see illustration number 1b. Given Moria Club has 300 members, total members 300, paying subscription rupees 10 each. That means each member paying rupees 10 and total member 300. So 300 into 10, 3000 per month. In a month, in a year, 12 month equal to 1 year. So 10 into 300 into 12 will be get 300 into 10 will be 3000, and 3000 into 12, 12 into 3, 12 3 is 36. That means total 36,000 here subscription. The club has a fixed deposit. The club has a fixed deposit of rupees 80,000 at the rate 10% per annum interest in a bank. The club has a fixed deposit FD 80,000. 80,000 10%, then 10% of 80,000 will be 8,000 interest in a bank. The club rents some portion of the building at the rate 20,000 per annum. The club has given a rent also some portion of the building at the rate 20,000 per annum. So from the following information, prepare receipt and payment account, same account of the club for the year ending 31st December 2016. So here some item given, like first, on 1st January, first number point, on 1st January 2016, cash balance rupees 6,300. So this is will be opening balance, 1st January opening balance. So it will become to balance BD. Next, interest received for 9 months on the bank fixed deposit, not full month, only 9 months. So we have deposit 80,000 of 10% of 80,000, 8,000, and for only 9 months, then 9 by 12, we can see here calculation. Interest on fixed deposit 80,000 into 10 by 100 into 9 by 12. Why come here? Because in a whole year, in a 1 year, 12 month equal to 1 year. So 9 by 12. When you calculate it, then we get 6,000. So interest on FD. Now 40 members have not paid subscription for the last 2 months. We have total 300 members, but 40 members failure. 40 members did not pay the subscription amount for the last 2 months. Last 2 months. So 40 members into 10 rupees paying, so 40 into 10, 400, and 400 into 2, that means 800. We have calculated here 36,000. See here, 300 into 10 into 12 equal to 36,000, and 40 members into 10 rupees each paying, and for 2 months did not pay. So it will come here 800. So when we deduct it is 36,000 minus 800, then we will get 35,200. This is our net subscription received. And during the year, building was rented for 10 days, only 10 days. So rent here given already, portion of rent 20,000 per annum. So always we can write here rent received 20,000, and paid salary 28,000, other expense 17,000, and purchased furniture for rupees 15,000. So paid salary, payment, expense, payment, furniture purchase, payment. So payment side we have seen here paid salary, salary is a payment, other expense is a payment, and furniture is a payment. Now you can see a solution to balance BD 6300 opening balance. See here, opening balance 6300. So this amount will be carry here. Subscription just we have calculated here. Total members we have 300, but 40 members have been outstanding, now did not pay the subscription amount, and for the last 2 months only. So here 35,200. Okay, interest receipt on FD 6,000, and rent received 20,000. Here given rent given 20,000, and payment side you can see here salary 28,000, other expense 17,000, furniture 15,000. When you will balancing both side tally, then your answer will come by balance CD. It has given to balance BD, then your answer will come by balance CD 7,500. So it has completed question number 1B. Now we come to the question number 1C. On the basis of the following information, prepare receipt and payment account in the books of Vijay Club for the period of 31st December 2016. Subscription received for the previous year given rupees 40 rupees only, and subscription received for the current year 360, and subscription not received for the current year 60 rupees. Receipt side given rent of room, games fee, and cash receipt from canteen, and payment side salaries, repairing, printing and stationery, canteen articles, canteen articles, and wages, watchman, electricity, rent and rates. Outstanding expenditure, repairing expense, canteen articles, cash balance on 1st January 2016 36 rupees, and 31st December 2016 cash balance 56. That means we only set up here, already here given cash balance given, opening closing both given, so we will shift here all the up amount. First thing we will write here to balance BD. So to balance BD here given 1st January 2016 36 rupees 36, and now we come to the upside, subscription received for the previous year subscription received, so it is receipt side. This also receipt side because it is received for the current year, so 40 rupees and 360 will be recorded in the receipt side. Next here already retain receipts, so we record in the receipt side rent of room rupees 20, games fee 120, cash receipt from canteen 250, payments side salary you can write salary, payment side 200, repairing 24 rupees, printing and stationery 60 rupees, canteen articles 170, wages of watchman 300, 136. This all payment side record, and electricity 80 rupees, and rent and rates 100. And outstanding expenditure will be recorded here, repairing expense 16 rupees, and canteen articles 44 rupees. So these are outstanding expenses, so it will not be recorded, repairing expense 16 rupees will not record because it is outstanding expenditure we have not received, because we are preparing receipt and payment account. In receipt and payment account only receipt what items we have received, so that only entry, and unpaid amount and outstanding amount will be not recorded in the receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account always recorded receipt what we have received and what we have payment. So this only record here outstanding expenditure, so it will not be recorded, both items will be not recorded, only repairing expenses outstanding and canteen articles 44 rupees. This item will be left and everything will be recorded. Yes, you can see here receipt and payment account of Vijay Club for the year ending 31st December 2016. First two balance BD, opening balance 36, subscription received, rent of room, games fee, cash receipt from canteen. Next salary, repairing, printing and stationery, canteen articles, wages of watchman, electricity pay and rents and rates. Then by balance CD. These all amounts have been given in the questions. You only set it here. Okay. Thank you.